Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Thursday, April 25th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and this candle has made a higher high and a higher low. Previous day's trading, we had continuation of that trend to the upside. We had a doji type candle for that previous day's trading, did set the market up for a potential change of trend. Doji candles are candles of indecision, and following this very strongly bullish candle, this very large white body candle that took out the 1576 area, there was very good grounds for watching for a potential lower high and lower low in this market. From the opening of trading, however, the market didn't really trade lower, so there was no potential setup for that change of trend. And this market has traded higher up towards the 1590 area, getting close to that 1600 round number level of resistance, and then being rejected from that area. We do have an increase in the size of the white body, so the buyers have found some momentum in net terms today, and that does suggest a potential continuation of the trend to the upside. But the market has closed around the midpoint level, and it suggests that neither side has closed with control of this market, and similar for the previous day's trading with that doji closing around the midpoint level, neither side has closed with control. So even though this market is rallying, it's not rallying on terribly strong candles. We see this shadow on the top of this candle representing a downside price rejection, and that obviously is the effect of this 1600 round number level coming into play and this all-time high around the 1597 level. So the buyers, even though they're extending the trend to the upside, they're really not doing it with a lot of confidence. Now, by the same token, however, we're not seeing any strength at all from the sellers. The sellers really aren't players in this market at the moment. Previous days trading, there was a large amount of indecision in the market, and that's what this doji candle is all about. But the buyers found the support around the 1576 level and came strongly into the market as the market was trading down around that level. Today they've continued that momentum to the upside, but they have lost commitment throughout the trading day, as evidenced by this shadow. So the story here really is about not about strength from the sellers, it's about strength from the buyers. So there is a possibility of this trend continuing, but we do need to watch for a potential lower high and lower low, and I suggest that the 1576 level will be crucial to this market. It will provide strong support for this market. We do also have strong support around the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which are trading roughly about 1566, 1564 levels. Below there, very, very strong support of 1555, and around this 1540 level we have this area that was tested and rejected from on 3 occasions in the recent past, and it also now coincides with the top of the cloud and will be very, very solid support for this market. To the upside, if the trend does continue, obviously 1600 is a very important level. It's around the all-time high and around number level, and will be crucial if this market is going to trade to higher levels. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci Extension, and we're examining the relationship of the first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market is trending up, and here we've seen strong rejection from the 100% level, and that could be very, very important. That does suggest that there is a possibility of a change of trend, so let's be on the lookout for that, and let's watch for a potential lower high and a lower low. So the low of the current candle becomes very important to this market. In terms of the Fibonacci Retracement, the market has closed above the 78.6% level. It does suggest that there is potential for the market to trade to the 100% level, which is at 1597. So we do need to watch that. If we see selling coming in around that area and the sellers take control, then that will reaffirm this potential for a change of trend. But at the moment, we're not seeing any strength from the sellers. This is all about the buyers rallying this market on rather weak candles where they're failing to take control, candles where they're lacking the commitment to continue that drive to the upside, even though we do have a series of higher highs and higher lows. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously a bullish market in all 3 timeframes. The market's trading above the cloud, so an overall bullish bias, and we do expect the trend to continue to the upside. The market's also bullish in the medium fast term timeframes by trading above the Kijun-sen, the pink line, and the Tenkan-sen, the green line. The Chikou span is confirming the time frame, the trend in all of those three time frames. So even though we're not seeing any bearish activity in this market, weakness from the buyers, the Ichimoku charts are suggesting that this market will test to higher levels, but we do have very, very solid resistance overhead. So let's watch those levels that I've already mentioned. 1600 is crucial to this market trading higher, but then support close by at 1576 has potential to be quite strong, and then below there, very strong support